Hey coders, and welcome back to Deep Tech Light. Today we are diving into a crucial aspect of Python programming, indentation. It might seem simple, but it's a backbone of Python code structure. Let's explore why indentation is so important and how to use it correctly. Indentation refers to the space at the beginning of a code line. In most programming language, it's just for readability, but in Python, it's a big deal. Indentation defines code blocks, which are group of statements that belongs together. Python uses indentation to determine which code belongs to which block. For example, let's say if 5 is greater than 2, then print 5 is greater than 2. So in an if statement, the indented code only runs if the condition is true. So let's run the script. On a terminal window, type python space and a file name hello.py, and here you can see the output 5 is greater than 2. There are few rules to follow for indentation. You can use space or a tab, but be consistent throughout your code. The standard is to use 4 spaces. All lines within a block should have the same indentation level. What it means? See, if I have another print statement and I use indentation here, print, this line will cause an error. And now let's try to run. And here you can see the indentation error. So why indentation matters? Proper indentation makes your code more readable and easier to understand. It also helps prevent errors and improve code maintainability. Indentation might seem like a small detail, but it's crucial for writing correct Python code. By understanding and following indentation rules, you will create cleaner, more efficient and easier to maintain program. So let's correct this. Now let's talk about something that might seem simple but is crucial for writing clean and understandable code. That's comments. So what are comments? Well, comments are lines of text in your code that the Python interpreter ignores. They are like notes you leave for yourself or other programmers. They don't affect how your code runs, but they significantly improve its readability. To create a comment in Python, you start with a hash symbol and everything after the hash on that line is ignored. Using comments, you can explain what a piece of code does, especially for complex logic. You can make code easier to understand for yourself and others. So here I am going to make a comment hash print only if condition is true. And Python interpreter will ignore this line. This is a single line comment. You can also use comment at the end of a line. So here let's say print hello world. You can comment out code to test different part of your program without deleting it. Suppose I want to comment out this line. Let's put a hash symbol here. And now let's run the script. Let me clear the terminal window. And it will show the result as expected. Comments are a powerful tool for improving code readability and maintainability. By using them effectively, you will make your code easier to understand for yourself and others. Remember, well-commented code is often self-documenting. Smash that like button, subscribe and drop a comment. What would you like to learn next?